So I've got Pete with me. Pete, I'm going to ask you two questions, yeah? If you were lost in a jungle in India, which animal you would never want to see?
It'd probably be the tiger.
Why is that?
Well, they're very dangerous animals. I wouldn't want to see one in the wild.
Yeah, you're damn right. My next question to you is, which is your favorite Indian animal?
Probably the Indian elephant,
And why is that?
because they're very intelligent and they've got a good memory.
Have you seen them in the wild or at the zoo?
No, I haven't, no.
You haven't? Oh, okay.
No.
No worries.
Only at the zoo, yeah.
Only at the zoo, okay. Alright, Pete, thank you for your time, and let's carry on the hike.
Okay, thanks,
Let's
Ronnie.
go.